Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.85. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. The exchange-traded fund has experienced a gain of 6.96%. This translates to an average return of 0.30% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned towards the upper end of a weak upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reversal back towards the lower end of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $528 would first indicate a stronger upward momentum. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an expectation of a potential change of approximately 9.53% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 4.46% to 9.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 22.78% over the next year, with potential returns between 9.38% and 27.17%. This indicates a price range between $575.88 and $669.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Friday's trading session. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.89% on the last trading day, rising from $521.81 to $526.48. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.84% with a day low of $522.35 and a day high of $526.72. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 4.26% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $11.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $526.72, while the lowest price was $388.49. Currently, the price is 0.05%, or 24 cents, below the 52-week high of $526.72, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. QQQ continues to demonstrate impressive performance, recently entering its 4th longest streak above the 200-day moving average, signaling strong bullish momentum. This sustained upward trend is particularly interesting as it indicates potential market stability and confidence among investors. Analysts are keenly observing this trend, questioning whether a market peak might be on the horizon. In the context of broader market dynamics, recent discussions highlight Wall Street's near-record levels and several factors that may contribute to continued growth for exchange-traded funds like QQQ into 2025. Economic indicators, including anticipated interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, are likely to further bolster investor sentiment, positively impacting QQQ in both the short and long term. The introduction of new exchange-traded funds by Invesco, expanding the QQQ Innovation Suite shows a commitment to innovation in the sector. Such developments may attract more investors eager to capitalize on growth-oriented opportunities, potentially elevating QQQ's market position. As the Nasdaq approaches its 34th record closing high of the year, this escalating momentum, combined with the ongoing adoption of technologies like artificial intelligence, positions QQQ favorably. For investors focused on long-term gains, QQQ stands as a compelling choice, supported by favorable economic conditions and technological advancements. Overall, these factors suggest that QQQ is poised for continued strength in the future. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Today's chart reveals predominantly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund maintains buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $516.96 and $503.80. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 6.02%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 60 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 63 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $496.57 and $483.36. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $496.57. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $483.36 and $468.62. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. During the last day, the fund moved $4.37 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.84%. For the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.785%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to understand some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest a limited expectation for the company's future performance or indicate that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $496.57. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $502.49, reflecting a decrease of 4.56%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to its minimal risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, significantly heightening the risk. Additionally, we have observed a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF shows several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a gentle upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable investment choice at this time and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy recommendation to a strong buy for this ETF since our previous evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of December, we expect the QQQ to open lower, approximately $1.30 down, starting at $525.18. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.